former Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa will move the High Court for bail today. Now remember that Yediyurappa was rushed to a hospital yesterday after spending just a little over 12 hours in Bangalore Central Jail when he complained of chest pain. The opposition meanwhile has turned on the heat against the BJP.
एक तरफ येदियुरप्पा जी की गिरफ्तारी हो रही है भ्रष्टाचार के मामले में, आडवाणी जी रथ यात्रा निकाल रहे हैं, पूरे देश को जगाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। हम लगातार ये बात कह रहे हैं कि आडवाणी जी को वापस अपनी रथ का मुंह कर्नाटक की तरफ मोड़ना चाहिए और कर्नाटक की गली गली के अंदर घूमना चाहिए। और मुझे ये लगता है, बहुत मुमकिन है कि आडवाणी जी रास्ते में रथ यात्रा छोड़कर वापस चले जाए। Bharatiya Janata Party is still behind Yediyurappa ji. It is also very unfortunate.
And Ashlesha now joins me live. Ashlesha, he is likely to move the High Court for bail, but apart from that, is he likely to be moved back to jail? Because we do know that he's out of the ICU now.
Well, we are hearing from sources at the Jayadeva Hospital that Yediyurappa will be kept under medical observation for a period of 48 hours since he has complained of chest pain and hypertension as well as, because he suffers from diabetes, he will be under medical observation. But as far as his lawyers go, they say that they will be filing a fresh bail application before the Karnataka High Court. They will not be challenging the order of the Special Lokayukta Court, which remanded him to judicial custody till 22nd of October. They will be filing this bail application later in the day, and this will be filed on 3 grounds similar to the ones that were filed earlier. Now remember, Nupur, this is based on 2 private complaints that were lodged by 2 private lawyers against Yediyurappa on charges of nepotism, illegality, and they have asked for the prosecution by the governor on charges under the Prevention of the Corruption Act. So what is expected later in the day is that a regular bail application will be just filed before the Karnataka High Court. Whether the matter will come up for hearing today, that is something that we'll have to see during the course of the day. But Yediyurappa as such will still be at the Jayadeva Hospital under medical observation.
Right, also Ashlesha, now the Congress in particular is turning on the heat on the BJP. We just heard the Congress spokesperson there talking about this issue. Really, in a way, it has taken a hit on the BJP. Yediyurappa going to jail.
Well, that's absolutely right. The state wing of the Congress here has welcomed Yediyurappa's arrest. The JDS, of course, has kept the cards close to their chest. They are at this point saying that all those corrupt need to be brought to book, not just Yediyurappa. But remember, within the BJP itself, Yediyurappa's arrest has brought about factionism within the BJP. There is a part of the unit which feels that he needs to be expelled from the party because this is just this being the first chief minister being brought, having been sent to judicial remand, so he needs to be expelled, while another faction within the BJP itself are staunchly supporting Yediyurappa. They say that he is still their leader. So clearly you can see a factionism in the Karnataka unit of the BJP. Also, Advani is slated to take out his Rath Yatra in the coastal districts of Karnataka, him not really passing through the state capital, that is Bangalore. That is being reviewed rather critically by the opposition. But as of now, the Congress unit here is really happy that at least this is a step forward in the right direction with Yediyurappa having been remanded to judicial custody.